Geekom asked if I would like to review one of their new laptops. I said yes, and they sent this to me. Now, this was at no cost for full disclosure. However, they did not pay for this video, nor did they review the contents of the video before publication. So let's unbox this computer and see what's inside. So in this box we have a docking station. Looks like they have a port multiplier, so you can get some additional use out of the ports that are built into the computer itself. That uses USB-C. So here's this adapter. You can see it's got some ports labeled here. This is a USB-C port, power delivery port, HDMI, a couple of USB-A ports, and RJ45 for network connection, and instructions to go with that. And then I'll get rid of this box. And then the main event. Here is the Geekbook itself, a little thank you note, and information about the extended warranty. And it looks like you can get an additional 1-year extended warranty by registering. So that means you're going to get a 2-year warranty for this. That's great. Let's see what we have here. 65-watt power supply. And then looks like this is the cable for the power supply, USB-C. And finally, the laptop or the Geekbook itself. Let's see, we got something else underneath here. Some documentation. So a very simple user manual in several different languages. So that's always nice. You almost never get a manual with computers these days, so anything at all is always helpful. All right, so I believe that is everything that's in the box. I'll just set that aside and let's actually take a look at this. Very lightweight. This is the smallest laptop I've ever used. All the laptops I have ever had have been larger laptops. I like big screens, but I wanted to experience the size of this. And this has a little protective thing to protect the screen and the keyboard. But it gives you quick instruction. Power on for the first time. You need to connect the power adapter. So I'll need to plug this in to actually boot this thing up for the first time. But you can see, there it is. The CPU is an Intel Ultra 9 185H. The GPU is the Intel Arc with 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's an integrated GPU. The system RAM is 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, and the storage drive is a 2 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 NVMe solid state drive. It's the Geekbook X14 Pro. Model number is NX14CM. You can see I'm holding this with one hand, very light. It's meant to be used on the go, very lightweight. The exterior of the Geekbook is made from a magnesium alloy. It's very smooth, very fingerprint resistant. That's on both the front and the back. Here are the ports for the speakers, and then we have the venting location here. Let's take a look at the ports next. On the right side, there is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, so that's 5 gigabits per second. This is a 3.5 millimeter audio jack for speakers or headphones, and you can also use it for a microphone. And then a physical switch so you can turn the shutter on and off on the webcam. Then coming around to the back side, there are no ports on the back. And then on the left side, this is an HDMI port for an external monitor, and then 2 USB 4 ports. These also support DisplayPort 2.1, so you can use this for 2 additional monitors, and then you have a little indicator for the power status. Taking a look on the inside here, we have the keyboard, of course, Very good feel to me. I like the way the keys feel. You have a touchpad, mouse, of course, and then we have a 14-inch monitor, and this is an OLED monitor, so that's a nice update. It has a fingerprint reader, so if you're logging in, you can log in with your fingerprint rather than a password. These are lighted keys, and apparently it has 4 levels of lighting. Very easy to open with just one single hand. Quick check of the weight. I've got a scale here. Let me just set that on the scale. 2 pounds, 4 ounces, or that's 2.25 pounds, or 36 ounces, several ways to look at it. And then metric, we've got 1.022 kilograms. So very lightweight. That is the unboxing and a quick look at this Geekom GeekBook X14 Pro. If you're interested, you can grab one of these by clicking the link in the description below. And I've also shot a much more in-depth review of this computer. I've compared it to another computer that I use. If you want to watch that, click this link over here. I'm Fred Kelly, your nerd sidekick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.